ay tinatanggap kita, Michelle Bautista, upang aking maging asawa, upang ibigin at mahalin ayon sa kautusan ng Diyos na nasa banal na kasulatan tungkol sa Kristyanong asawang lalaki, habang kapwa tayo nabubuhay na magkasama sa lupa ayon sa kautusan ng Diyos sa pagkakasawa.
And we're standing side by side. What it takes to come alive. The way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. Got to let it go. Found love in a hopeless place. We found love in a hopeless place. Shine a light through an open door. Love and life I will divide. Turn away 'cause I need you more. Feel the heartbeat in my mind. The way I'm feeling, I just can't deny. But I got to let it go. We found love in a whole new place. We found love in a whole new
Michelle Bautista.
Ay tinatanggap kita ni Fausto upang aking maging asawa, upang ibigin at mahalin at taimtim may galang ayon sa kautusan ng Diyos na nasa banal na kasulatan para sa mga asawang babae.